ठीक है. So myself Manali, he is Vicky, and we both are working in IT company from 6-7 years, and same years in Pune as well. I think 6-7 years we are in Pune. We got married 2 years back, and that's where we started finding our home. And now we are sitting here in Shubh Shagun, and we booked a flat in D building 906. So I think we started looking for the flats in 2017 when I've been to many locations. I would honestly tell you Keshav Nagar or Wagholi, Kharadi, everything I've seen, most of the flats. And for Shubh Shagun, it's an interesting story, I think. So I went to Vadgaon Sheri looking for one of the flat of your competitors, I think, and I was very disappointed that time. And I was just getting outside of that particular the Sainath Nagar road, and I saw Shubh Shagun's hoarding.
Yes.
And मैंने बोला कि अभी सब इतना देख लिया है तो let's take one more chance and we'll see it. And I think everything was placed in together कि जैसे ही यहाँ पे आए and everything got sorted. जितने भी मैंने builders के project देखे हैं, this was the genuine flat कि नहीं जो ये यहाँ पे दिखाया है, this is the carpet size you are getting, ना कम ना ज़्यादा.
For me, actually, if we can compare with the other properties, so this is the best option. We got 2 balconies in one flat. This is the plus point, and we are getting another balcony, dry balcony also. It means
So total 3 balconies we have in this flat.
Yeah.
The one thing which I liked is the team, they never treat you as a customer, they treat you as a family. Okay, so even if you buy the flat, you don't book a flat or anything, but they never disappoint you that okay, if you are not booking the flat, will we treat you differently. We have not seen that here, and I think वही एक best selling point था for me to come here and invest my money here. I think हमने हमारे 3 या 4 फ्रेंड्स को recommend किया था. They all came here. Probably not everyone has booked a flat, but yes, we have friends who has booked a flat now, and we are happy because कौन नहीं चाहता family और friends के साथ रहना, right? So they have booked the same building, same builders, so I think we are good
and
there.
They are also happy. I frankly say they are also happy.
Shubh has promised to give me on the time or what. I think you are above the time basically. So you are preponing your timelines and not postponing. That is a good thing for me. I was very afraid. I think the entire team knows that I was very afraid that okay 3 साल बाद project मिलने वाला है and all. But I think you are completing in 2.5 years, and that's a good point for me.
For me.
Shubh developers basically, or this property Shubh Shagun, they are very structured here that ये carpet size है, you are getting everything. That's not a single, I think, a size wasted here just because of making a bigger flat.
And the other thing is the location. Actually, it is
Yes.
roadside property. It's a plus point for everyone. So that is again a plus point for us. So that's why we booked a flat.
In this COVID situation also, I think I have never seen Shubh developers to ask us a money about in this COVID situation कि नहीं, we need it because they've understood the situation कि अच्छा lockdown था, people might have lost their jobs or whatever it is. मतलब सबके लिए I'm talking about, it's not only with me, but people might have lost their jobs या उनकी family में कुछ issues हो सकते हैं, तो let's not pressurize them for the money or anything. तो ये चीज़ मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी यहाँ की कि I don't think so कि मुझे एक भी for a single penny I have got a call कि नहीं आपको अभी देना ही देना पड़ेगा. So
प्लस पॉइंट क्या था एक्चुअली हम लोगों ने हमेशा यही ऑब्जर्व किया, नॉट ओनली मी, माय फ्रेंड्स आल्सो, व्हेनेवर वी हैड अ डिस्कशन, शुभ शगुन टीम ट्रीटेड एज अ फैमिली, नॉट अ कस्टमर. दैट इज द प्लस पॉइंट हियर, आई फ्रैंकली से.
एंड मेरे साथ तो ऐसा है कि पीपल कीप टेकिंग अपडेट्स ऑफ मी कि आप कैसे हो, रादर देन कि अच्छा ये इतना काम हो गया है तो पैसे कब डिसबर्स होंगे या ये. नो वन डिस्कस दैट. आई थिंक एवरीवन इज आस्किंग फर्स्ट इज कि आप कैसे हो, everything good with you or no. So we have been also fighting with COVID and everything. We went out to home and people got COVID. तो वहाँ पे when the disbursement came, no one asked me कि अच्छा अभी आप कैसे दोगे या whatever it is. मतलब everyone understood the situation. और last year भी मुझे पता है when we were in lockdown, the work was going on. I think 1 महीने या 1.5 महीने के लिए बंद हुआ था when the entire nation was in lockdown. But उसके बाद मैंने कभी नहीं देखा कि काम बंद हुआ है because of money or any other problem. Let's rise
with Shubh Developers.